Check it out, guys. Factory edition GasGas MC450F. This is the first model that I've actually got to see with the new front fender for the new connectivity unit with the GPS. So connectivity unit will mount right here on the fork, and the GPS will mount right here on the front fender, and those will connect with each other, and we'll be able to do some really cool stuff with data that we've never been able to do before. And man, every year I see one of these and I just wonder if it's my favorite factory edition. That Akrapovich looks so good. The red, white, and blue is amazing, and I love this piece on the GasGases. This is just, I just imagine riding this thing and being able to look at this the whole time would be absolutely sick. So yeah, a lot of these GPS units are still not available. If you want to buy them for your 23 and newer, they will be in April. The connectivity units you can go ahead and get. Now you can buy all the pieces separate, as in fender, GPS, and connectivity unit, or you can buy it all together in a kit. We have those listed on AOMC.mx, so pretty sick.